Hi everyone, myself Lingareddy. In this session, we'll discuss ideal solution and non-ideal solution. First of all, what is the ideal solution? What is the non-ideal solution? Ideal solution, nothing but which is solution is follow the Raoult's law. It is called ideal solution. Which is does not obey the Raoult's law. It is non-ideal solution. So mainly ideal solution and non-ideal solution. First mainly five condition is there. That five conditions that differ in ideal solution and non-ideal solution, right? Let me explain what are the five conditions here. First one here, Raoult's law. The Raoult's law. The second one here, delta mixing, change in mixing, nothing but volume, right? Change in volume. Third one is delta H mixing, change in enthalpy. And the fourth one, A or and B and AB interactions. Fifth one, the change in entropy, both ideal solution and non-ideal solution, always the spontaneous. So delta S mixing equal to your greater than 0. So entropy is always positive, right? So here this is the first one, A condition, and here B condition is change in Gibbs free energy. Here change in Gibbs free energy, delta mixing equal to less than 0. Less than 0 means there is a spontaneous. Delta G is negative, that is a spontaneous. Delta H is positive, this is the spontaneous. Randomness is more, right? I hope it is clear. We are studying in thermodynamics, but both the solution here spontaneous. So ideal solution, non-ideal solution. This is common point for both the solution. Fifth point is common for ideal solution and non-ideal solutions, right? So mainly we have to discuss 4 points here: Raoult's law and delta, volume and delta H and interactions. Let me explain the ideal solutions. Right, the first one is ideal solution. Right, point number 1 here, the solution which obey Raoult's law at all temperature and concentration. Nothing but here P observed, P total pressure. Okay, this is whatever we are observing. Okay, after mixing we are observed and are experimental, right? This is experimental equal to P naught A into XA plus P naught B into XB. Whatever we are taking here, this is the calculated value. So calculated value equal to observed value or experimental value. So that solution is called ideal solution. I hope it is clear. Second point here, change in volume, delta mixing, delta V mixing equal to 0, right? That is no change in volume. For example, here 20 ml of some solvent we are taking. This is 20 ml, right? Another 20 ml of some water we are taking, right? This is also 20 ml. We are mixing here 20 ml plus 20 ml. The resultant solution you will get here 40 ml. This is 40 ml. So whatever the initial volume is there, the final volume also same. So there is a no change in volume after mixing. So I hope it is clear. Right. Third point. Delta H mixing equal to 0. So here no heat is evolved or no heat is observed when component or mixed. I hope it's clear. For example, here this is the A solvent is there. This is A type solvent, right? And here B type of solvent is there. This is the B type solvent. So both are mixing now. It is forming like a AB solvent. AB like forming here. So here no heat is observing, in this case no heat is releasing. So such a solution is called ideal solutions. I hope it is clear. Next one, fourth point, interactions. So here in ideal solution, AB solution intermolecular attraction or interaction or the same as AA and BB interactions. BB intermolecular interaction. I hope it is clear. For example, we are taking solution. This is the A type solutions is there, and your B type of solution is there. So both are mixing here to form a AB type of solution. So whatever the AA attraction is there, for example your AA attraction, your BB attraction, this is the BB attraction. So equal to AB attraction, AB attraction equal to AB attraction in ideal solution. So I hope it is clear. Fifth point here, delta S mixing always greater than 0, and this is the first point here. The second point here, delta G mixing always less than 0. This is the fifth point. And last one more point is this, sixth point, Raoult's law graph, right? In ideal solution it is following like a Raoult's law. So same like graph Raoult's law. Let us explain. So here what is the formula of Raoult's law? P total equal to PA naught XA plus P naught B XB. So here this is vapor pressure, right? This side we are taking solvent, XA equal to 1, XB equal to 0. So vapor pressure is increasing like this. right? And then next this side, xa equal to 0, x b equal to 1. So the vapor pressure of solute is like this increasing. Always solute is less than solvent, because of solvent is volatile and solute is non-volatile. So this is the graph we have observed. So here this is P1 equal to P naught A into XA. Next here P2 equal to P naught B into XB. So total vapor pressure here P total is equal to P1 plus P2. I hope it is clear. So this is the graph for ideal solution. Next one, sixth point here, examples. Very important. They are asking in the competitive exam. Examples. First one is benzene C6H6, and then we have toluene C6H5CH3. So this is the benzene and toluene mixing to form a resultant solution is ideal solution, right? Next one here, ethyl bromide and ethyl chloride C2H5 C2H5Br and C2H5 chloride, right? And next one, fourth example, so N-pentane N-hexane, right? N-pentane and N-hexane. Next, fifth example, chlorobenzene bromobenzene. So these are the similar size, and here bromobenzene. And next one, ethylene chloride ethylene bromide, right? Sixth example, so CH2CH and double bond here, the CH2 double bond CH and chlorine, right? These are the common example for the ideal solutions. Very important point we will discuss now. Just you observe that all the structures both have similar structures, almost similar structures. The point number one here, and second point here, similar, both are having similar molecular size. I hope it is clear. Just you can take ethyl bromide and ethyl chloride, only chlorine only difference, remaining is everything same. Here only one CH2 only difference is there, remaining almost same. So same chlorobenzene and bromobenzene, right? Due to this reason, these solutions are exhibit ideal solutions. I hope it is clear. And next one, non-ideal solution. The second one here, non-ideal solution. Here non-ideal solution, the point number one, solution which does not obey the Raoult's law, right? Solution which do not obey Raoult's law. Right? And second point here, delta mixing not equal to 0, at the same time delta V mixing not equal to 0, right? Again there are two types. The ideal solution, non-ideal solution are classified into two types. The first one is showing positive deviation non-ideal solution. Showing positive deviation deviation. Then next one here, second one is negative deviation. Let me explain positive deviation first thing. Showing positive deviation right, here positive deviation of non-ideal solution, right? The first point here, Raoult's law, right? So the non-ideal solution does not obey the Raoult's law. In especially in positive deviation, the P total the partial pressure is greater than whatever we are mixing of solvent and solution is greater than total pressure. Here, for example, this is solute and then this is solvent and here solute. Both are mixing to form a solution. So this solution, total solution, the vapor pressure is greater than the individual of solute and solvent. That is the meaning here, right? I hope it is clear. Because of here, so Pa solvent is greater than P naught A into XA. So here Pa is greater than P naught. The solution is greater than solvent. Then here Pb greater than P naught B and XB, right? So that's why this is P total is greater than that. So P total greater than Pa plus Pb. I hope it is clear. Let me observe the graph here. This is like ideal solution graph, right? So this is the vapor pressure. Here XA equal to 1, XB equal to 0, XA equal to 0, XB equal to 1. Here generally the vapor pressure is increases like this, and this is the solvent vapor pressure. So that means what is it here? Pa equal to Pa not equal here. Just a minute here. According to the Raoult's law, the vapor pressure like this increasing. According to the Raoult's law, but this is does not follow the Raoult's law. It is greater than Raoult's law. So this is here the vapor pressure is observing like this in the positive deviation in solvents, right? Here also same. We are expecting, this is the Raoult's law, we are expecting like this. But what is happening here? This is the happening because of it is the P total greater than Pa plus Pb, right? So what is the here? Pa greater than P naught A XA XB XA sorry XA. Here I am writing here Pb equal to P naught B into mole fraction of B. What about total mole fraction here? We are expecting like this, but it is showing positive deviation. So this is total the vapor pressure. So what is the total vapor pressure here? P total equal to PA plus PB. I hope it is clear. This is graph for positive deviation. Sorry, here greater than. This is the greater than. Here also greater than. Already I wrote here greater than. Right. I hope it is clear. The first point is over. Second point now. This is the second point. Delta V mixing, the change in volume is greater than 0. For example, here we are taking 20 ml and it is mixing with another solution here 20 ml, right? What is the resultant solution is forming here? It is compared to solute plus solvent or two solutions. It is having little more. Here nearly will get here 41 ml, right? 41 ml. The volume will get 41 ml. So it can show the positive deviation. I hope it is clear. Next one, third point, delta H mixing greater than 0. Why is greater than 0 here? AB, AA and BB is there. So we have to break this bond. The heat is observing more, right? The heat is observed. So that is heat is observed is positive. Greater than the formation of bond here, heat is released. In formation of AB. I hope it is clear. It is very clear. Next one, fourth point here. Here AB interaction, intermolecular attraction. Molecular interaction or weaker than AB and AA and BB. And I hope it is clear. AB interaction is more than AA and BB interactions. Right. Next one, fifth point here. Delta S mixing is greater than 0. Delta G is mixing less than 0. I hope it is clear. Next, sixth point here, examples. Example number 1 here, carbon tetrachloride CCl4 plus benzene C6H6. This is positive deviation can show because of it is not similar size, similar type of shape, right? Then next one, the example 2, carbon tetrachloride CCl4 plus chloroform CHCl3. And then next one here, third example, carbon tetrachloride plus toluene, right? C6H5CH3. And next fourth example, acetone plus carbon disulfide. So acetone here plus CS2. And next one more example, fifth example here, acetone plus ethyl alcohol C2H5OH. Next one, sixth example here, methyl alcohol plus water, right? So CH3OH plus water, right? Next one, ethyl alcohol plus water, seventh example. So C2H5OH plus water, right? It is very important. This is called azeotropic mixture. I hope it is clear. Positive deviation and an ideal solution. Next, negative deviation, last one. The second one here, negative deviation. Negative deviation. Point number one here, P total less than PA naught into XA plus P naught B into XB. So this is vapor pressure is more than total vapor pressure, right? Next one here, a similar PA greater than is less than P naught A into XA, and next to PB equal to P naught B into mole fraction of B. So from this we can draw the graph. So Raoult's law graph, according to Raoult's law we are expecting, but here the graph not like that. The region is the showing negative deviation, right? The interactions is difference. So we are expecting graph is like this, right? This is the vapor pressure. This is XA equal to 1, XB equal to 0. Here already we seen XA equal to 0, XB equal to 1, right? So this is the vapor pressure here. This is the vapor pressure. And next one we are expecting this is, but not we are getting this vapor pressure. Actually the vapor pressure is, this is the vapor pressure. This is actual vapor pressure. So what we expect compared to that less. So we are calling negative deviation. Region is here the interactions. The second point here, the region is interactions. AA interaction is there and BB interactions is less than and AB interactions, right? Here the interaction is, this is the more interaction than this, so that's why the volume is decreases, right? Whatever we adding the volume, that volume is decreases because of interaction is more here. So here the third point here, delta V mixing is less than 0, right? For example here 20 ml we are taking one solution here, 20 ml, and mixing with another 20 ml here, another 20 ml. So resultant solution is forming here 39 ml, right? 39 ml. So 1 ml is decrease as compared to the initial, right? So this is due to the strong AA interaction, the volume is decreases. I hope it is clear. Same manner in BB interactions, volume is increase more than in positive deviation. Next, one more example here, fourth example. Delta H mixing is less than 0. Here the heat is released formation AA is greater than heat is observed in the breaking of AA bond and BB bond. I hope it is clear. So heat is released in formation of AB greater than heat observed in breaking of AA bond and ABB bond. I hope it is clear. The formation of AA bond is more energy is released than the breaking of AA bond and BB bond. Right, I hope it is clear. Next fifth point here, delta S mixing is here always greater than 1, greater than 0, and here then B point here, delta G mixing is less than 0, right, negative. So next one, sixth point here, examples. So here sixth point is examples very important, asking in competitive, right. The first example is chloroform, CHCl3 plus acetone. This is first example. The second example here, chloroform CHCl3 plus benzene C6H6, and next one chloroform, right, CHCl3 plus diethyl ether, that nothing but ETO and ETO, diethyl ether. Next fourth example, the acetone, right, acetone plus aniline, and then fifth example, and here HCl, acid plus water, and next one sixth example, HNO3 plus water, acid plus water. Simple trick point here, right. Chloroform is there, CHX plus containing the here oxygen or nitrogen containing groups, shows the negative deviation. Here we can take X is equal to or chlorine, bromine, iodine, right. For example here aniline, right, here this is oxygen interaction is there. For example here I am writing here, this is the acetone, this is a partially negative, this is a partially positive, and the chloroform I am writing like this, this is chloroform. Here the interaction is there, this is a partially positive, this is a partially negative due to inductive effect here. So it is the attraction forces are more between the different poles. This is a negative pole, this is a positive pole. So due to these interactions the volume is decreases, so here shows the negative deviation. I hope it is clear. That's why this is a molecule, this is a B molecule, interaction is more than this AB, AA and BB. I hope it is clear, right. This is a molecule, this is a B molecule, the interaction between AA molecule and BB molecule is more. I hope it's clear. So this is ideal solution and non-ideal solution complete information, and let us discuss next video problems regarding the ideal solution, non-ideal solution and vapor pressure, right. So thank you for watching this video.